how to recover deleted message on WeChat. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So open up WeChat, and then once you open up WeChat, you should be finding this interface. Now from the interface, you may locate up the option called Me in the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and after tapping on Me, your profile appears. Now from the given option, select the option called Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, from the menu of the settings, you may select the option called Chats, which is right under Message Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be given these options. Now here we have an option called Chat History. Under that also we have two options. So locate up the option called Chat History, Migration and Backup. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, here you will be finding migration and backup and restore option. So what you need to do is simply tap on the option called backup and restore. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you should be able to restore the deleted messages on WeChat. But the thing is, you need to have those chat backed up earlier so that you can go ahead and recover those deleted messages on WeChat. So that's it for now. You may follow up the step. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.